even in here?
Yeah, you in there.
I like that seat better.
I know you do.
I saw everything.
I know.
Right.
You ain't got to see everything. Just sit back.
Huh?
Sit back. Now you look like you crowding me.
I'm crowding you.
Yeah. What we doing?
Hey everybody, this is G Brown the Lifestyle Changer. Oh, I'm keeping that in. I'm keeping that.
And I'm Frederick Brown,
the managed husband.
What are you talking
and
about?
This is Hanging with the Browns. Okay, so this portion is going to be short because what we're getting ready to show you different multiple meals that I have fixed. And here's another thing. We were eating bacon and eggs like almost every day, and I don't have a problem with pork. We find out that he does. So a lot of it, and y'all know I eat small, so I'm just going to show you what I have. And,
okay.
All right?
Let's do it.
All right. Well, let's roll it.
Roll them.
Ooh, not a lot of carbs. See that slight limp? That's that water he was talking about.
What is that?
Baby back ribs. I'm looking for the one with the back. I'm looking for the one. But these actually here. I actually here. This one right here.
What, that one?
That one. I'm recording.
Hold on.
What?
Okay. If y'all don't know, if y'all go to Sam's Club and you're not using the app, the scan and go, you're missing out, right? Scan and go.
So he look, boom. Scan and go. He and then do this one, and then that's yep.
Scan and go. But there's a way that you're more into.
If they got it.
Yeah.
Booyah. Alright, we hit. Let's keep going. See that? Nope. Keep looking. So this one is $5 off each package. So now what am I looking for? FAT.
No, we can do better than that.
You think so?
Yeah, I know we can do better than that.
Uh-oh. He said I'm looking at the wrong place. Please note, this is the beef cheek meat and this is the beef tongue. You can eat this. So, no, this is beef. This is the tongue and the cheek. My husband can't get past it, but you do this in the slow cooker, it is really, really good. This right here is the beef honeycomb. This is tripe, which is the stomach. What is this? Now, honey, we already know what these are. Hey, let me give y'all, first of all, the seal broke, so you would never get those. They just need to, like, come get them. But, this is it, baby. Look, it's my birthday week. People didn't wait till the last minute. We got company. This is not enough fat for us, but they'll do it. So, this is what we're going to do for the cookout. We have both packs of those steaks. This is not enough fat for us, so I will do some more fat. We got 4 slabs of ribs. The bacon is for us. And then we did these hot dogs. The thing is that these have some sugar content in it, so this is not something that we're gonna eat. I got some different hot dogs that we'll do, but our guests will get meat, but then at the same time, this is what they eat.
People that may not know about this, Sam's Club Scan and Go, make sure you download this app, and it's awesome, man. You don't even stand in line. Now all I do is go and check out, right? Confirm my cart has 6 items, which I do, and then continue to check out, slide to pay. Slide to pay.
Oh, I'm supposed to show that? No.
You got to.
I ain't think
all right,
so.
now show this. Then I get my code. This is it. I just don't have to stand in line. Just walk out the door, show my
Let's go.
Show my code.
Things you don't want. Even though you can eat shrimp, no breading, but you could come get you some crab legs, no breading. Now y'all know that they just need to stop that, right? That's just process. That's just to get over into your pocket. Okay, grab and go, right? Just grab it right on in your pocket so you can go to the hospital. I see you walking with a little limp. That's what he was talking about earlier.
So one of the
Let me
things
grab
that
hold on. Gotta grab my purse. I don't need nobody running out.
all right, so one of the things we decided to do, especially with buying all this meat, we bring our cooler with us, right? So that, especially if you shop at a place like Sam's Club, what's the other one over down the street?
Well, you got Costco, but we don't have Costco. We got BJ's.
Right. And they don't have bags or anything like that. And a lot of times, if you got cold items, depending on how far you got to drive, we find it best just put it in the cooler, and it stays kind of chilled until we get home. Shopping, mini shopping, I guess, for.
Yeah, turn that down because then they'll block me out for the music.
Right.
All right, so it's the beginning of my birthday week. I say a week, and we did some stuff, so I still want it done right. I'm the primary cooker, and so I'm gonna help get it because we're cooking tomorrow. But now I told my daughter if she wants some bread, she got to bring it. She wants some barbecue sauce, she got to bring it. She want any sides, she got to bring it because
Only doing meat.
I'm doing
That's our
meat.
commitment.
There you go.
That's our only
That's the most
obligation.
expensive part, honey. Sure.
Oh yeah, how much I spent?
All right, so I forgot hamburger meat and chicken. So we're going in Aldi. If you're not familiar with Aldi, this is the place where you have to put a quarter in to get a cart, and I never have money. So we're gonna make it do what it do. Yeah, we thought the same.
Yes,
I did too. I have 3 in the car. I'm in a different car. Okay, so 80-20. What we looking for? 80-20. No, we are looking for. You got to be kidding me. I don't want this. No. Wrong amount. So he did this even though it poured down raining. All right, that's the box of trash. But look at your girl birthday present. Come on, what is the best way to a carnivore's heart? Get her a grill. Wait, I forgot to add. You can click on this video right here. I told y'all I was gonna remember. Click right there. You're gonna enjoy that video.